Hi, and welcome to Yolo Queen Tarot. I'm Yolo Queen Bee. One last shuffle for the cards. I've prayed over them and cleansed them. So we're doing collective for Capricorn for December 2021. Happy birthday, Capricorn. Soon it'll be your birthday, but hey, it's Sag's turn right now, right? What's worse, having your birthday before or after Christmas? My birthday's 9 days before Christmas. Isn't that crazy? All right. What's going on for Capricorn? Capricorn. Reading for Capricorn. You want it to come out. Ooh, this one flipped over too. All right. We got the Tower, Capricorn. Death card. Ace of Wands. The Magician. And a Four of Staff, Wands, if you will. Wow, off top, Tower moment. I mean, something's about to crash down. And it's a big Tower moment, too. Or maybe someone's getting enlightened. Whoo! But it's a huge enlightenment. Here's a Death card. Now, this is Scorpio energy. But yeah, I get a sense of it's a big... Who knows? Maybe someone could even be having an aneurysm or something. Then we have the Ace of Wands. Ace of Wands is a new beginning in creativity. So maybe someone's going to have a huge creative Tower moment that they've been trying to manifest. This is a manifestation card. But for some reason it's going to cause some chaos. Clarify this Tower card, please. Judgment and the Star card. So Judgment, this is hope and healing. So maybe the Tower card is going to lead to somebody's healing. It's time to heal. That's what Tower moments are. Tower moments happen by the universe. Elohim allows Tower moments to happen so we can get right and we could refocus and start our own healing journey. And maybe that's what it is. There's death to an old way. Death from an old way. And it's time to be creative now, right? A whole new path. How about this Death card? Clarify the Death card. Oh, wow. Wheel of Fortune. So definitely there's an ending. There's an ending for a gain. Wheel of Fortune is just that. It's a 10 card. It's a beginning and an ending. So there definitely is some kind of transitioning that's happening. Hopefully, like I say, in a creative way. This is a creative new beginning, but this also could be someone coming in with big dick energy. So I'll give it to you two ways. This Magician could be manifesting the Tower to bring changes for this Wheel of Fortune. But it's going to cause some chaos. Yeah, the Magician, I'm like, I couldn't get it out. I wanted to say, what is the Magician manifesting or intentions? We got the Seven of Swords. That means deception and lies. So this Magician is clever. Clarify for Capricorn the Five of Wands. Three Pentacles and the Ten of Wands. Three of Pentacles means a collaboration, learning a new skill, teamwork. It also could be a third-party situation. But whatever it is, that's going to cause a chaos. It's causing a lot of burdens for this Magician. And this Magician is Cancer, Pisces. I mean, is Pisces, is Sagittarius. energy as well. Like I said, whatever is burdensome, it's going to cause create some kind of chaos or uproar with this 3 of coins, third-party situation or collaboration. Clarify the 3 of coins here. Page of Cups, Pisces energy. So maybe it's a collaboration with the Pisces, huh? What's with the Wheel of Fortune? Why is the Wheel of Fortune there? It's the devil. That means some kind of addiction. And with this, like I said, big dick energy, it could be the devil. Some people could be bonded to gain this Wheel of Fortune. What is going on? What is going on, Capricorn? Shit, I need to smoke. Well, obviously there's deception here and death. Why is it burdensome? Because there's conflict. It's been a fight. Clarify with the King of Swords. King of Swords is about, he's about the truth. Coming with the facts and coming honest. Air signs, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. One more for the King of Swords. Clarify the King of Swords. Yeah, he's discontent. He's not happy with the current situation. And Ace of Cups at the bottom of the deck. That means a brand new beginning for somebody. Could be this Ace of Swords, brand new beginning. A Tower moment. Judgment. The Judgment was healing, and then the Death card, the Wheel of Fortune and the Death card. Unfortunately, maybe the Judgment to this Tower card, if it has to do with finances, means that there's an ending to some kind of fortune for somebody. Because 10 means it's an ending for somebody and maybe a beginning for someone else in fortune. Ooh. Things to look at. All right, let's get you a Gaia card. If you're interested, Toni, Carmine, Salerno, Gaia cards. Man, has a lot of love and hope in these cards. Got me through a lot of dark days. So I recommend them. Spirit has not led me wrong yet. Thanks be to God. Enchanted Forest. Mystery, magic, excitement. And it's a 27, which goes down to a 9. Enchanted Forest. 1 minute, life seems rather mundane and boring, and then all of a sudden, someone or something sweeps into your world like a breath of fresh air. All of a sudden, you feel as though you are on a magical mystery tour with a renewed sense of passion and excitement for life, and it doesn't matter that you have no real idea where this is all leading you. In fact, not knowing only creates more excitement. Life is now full of romance and seemingly endless creative possibilities. Come through, Spirit. When I said creative new, the Ace of Wands is a start of a creative endeavor. All right. Life is now full of romance and endless creative possibilities. Embrace all that comes your way. Enjoy the journey and don't be in a hurry to settle things down or draw conclusions. Allow things to unfold in their own way and time. What unravels will bring you lasting joy and a deep sense of fulfillment. Affirmation. I am open to new ideas and adventures. Life is full of endless creative possibility. I embrace each opportunity that comes my way. I love the magic and mystery of life. I trust my heart. I believe in love. Come through, Spirit. Wow, that was a good message for you, Capricorn. All right. Well, thank you for joining me for your reading. I hope you enjoy it. Again, I'm Yolo Queen Bee. You only live once, and I love you. Namaste.